welcome to McDonald's drive-thru.
Hi, I would like to order a double cheeseburger
Okay.
a la carte. That's it.
Okay. Papa,
Yes,
anything to add, Papa?
that's it. Thank you.
Papa,
Yes.
where are you? The bill is 134.
Okay.
First window na lang po.
Thank you.
Good morning, Papa!
Good morning.
Good morning, Papa! Papa!
Yes. Hold on. 134.
Papa!
Wait lang.
Hi. Is this... That's your daddy. Papa? Papa!
Yes. Hold on. I'm getting money.
Okay.
Here is 34 pesos. And here is 1,000.
Thank you, last window.
What do you have to say?
Thank you, last window.
Thank you kids. Thank you. Good job.
Hi, Papa. I'm in the box, bro.
Yes, you are.
Still go home?
Later, yeah. Good job working.
Papa, we'll go home.
Yes, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you for making my burgers, kids. Thank you.
I help you.
Good job. Thank you.
Your order's complete, Papa.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye, kids.